This video was made by AI. Script, images, voiceover, Final Cut, the whole thing. Total cost under $3. Other platforms charge $200 or more per video and still hand the final edit back to you. I got tired of that math. So I built one HTML file that does the entire job. Claude writes the script, Gemini makes the images and voiceover, and Canvas assembles the final video. No backend, no install. I've used it to publish 20 videos already. Stay through the demo and I'll hand you the exact tool and show you what each step actually costs. The channel is real, these aren't mock-ups. Here are the actual stats. 20 published videos, all AI generated, all under $3 each. Most of those videos took me less than 10 minutes of active time. The tool handles everything in between. Let me walk you through it live. I'm starting from nothing, just a topic typed into one input field. I type the topic. One button press sends it to Claude's API. Within about 15 seconds, a full structured script comes back. The script is already broken into beats. Each beat gets its own image prompt and its own narration chunk. That structure is intentional, because if you send the whole script to TTS at once, the voice drifts. Pacing falls apart. Doing it per beat keeps the audio tight. Next, each beat's image prompt gets sent to Gemini's image API. They generate in parallel, usually done in under 30 seconds total. The images come back. You can see them right in the browser. No download, no Photoshop, no round-tripping to another app. If I don't like one, I just regenerate that single beat. The rest stay. That's an intentional design choice. Don't break what's working. Now voiceover. Each beat's narration text goes to Gemini TTS separately. Same model, same voice setting. Consistency without drift. The audio files come back as blobs. The browser holds them in memory. No server, no file system, nothing leaving your machine. This is where it gets interesting. Assembly happens inside an HTML canvas element. Image drawn, audio played, media recorder captures the stream. Beat 1 plays, image on canvas, audio fires, recorder captures both. Beat 2, beat 3. The whole video assembles sequentially in real time. When the last beat finishes, media recorder seals the file. A download prompt appears. That's your video, a real MP4 ready to upload. The whole process from topic to MP4 is under 10 minutes. I've timed it repeatedly across different niches. 10 minutes is about average. Let's talk about cost. Claude for the script, roughly $0.04 per video. That's not a typo. Gemini image generation for a full 38-beat video runs about $0.80 to $1.20 depending on resolution and retrees. Gemini TTS for all the narration beats, about $0.60. Total sits reliably between $1 and $3 depending on retrees. Compare that to the platforms charging $200 per video. Even at $3, that's a 98% cost reduction. And you get the file, not a preview. And unlike those platforms, the final assembly happens locally. You own the process. You're not dependent on their uptime or their pricing changes. I want to show you one real video this tool produced. This is from my channel. Published, not staged. That video has real views, a real watch time, and cost me $1.84 to produce. That's the whole system working as intended. A few things this tool doesn't do yet. It won't auto-upload to YouTube. It won't do long form over 10 minutes without chunking. And transitions are basic. I'm building on it. Auto-upload via YouTube's API is already in a branch, but I'd rather ship honest than hyper roadmap. The file is a single HTML document. Open it in Chrome, add your API keys in the config section at the top. That's the entire setup. No npm install, no Python environment, no Docker. If you can open a file in a browser, you can run this. The HeyGen integration is optional. If you want an AI avatar on screen, like this video, that adds roughly $0.50 per video at current rates, you pick your niche. Finance, productivity, history, true crime. The topic input doesn't care. The API calls are the same. The channel running on this tool is in a niche I'm not going to name. Not because I'm hiding it, but because the niche doesn't matter. The system works across all of them. What actually matters is whether the output is good enough to hold attention. On my channel, average view duration is above 45%. That's not extraordinary, but it's functional, enough to let the algorithm work. 20 videos in, the channel is growing without me touching it daily. I promised at the start, this video was made by the same tool, and now you've watched the whole thing. Script, images, voice, assembled, start to finish for under $3. If you want the file, subscribe and comment your niche below. I'll drop the link in the first pinned comment once this hits 100 subscribers. 1 HTML file, no backend, 38 beats, under $3. Build the thing.